Okay, this is a general demonstration of the CTMP 2020 data viewer features and the CTMP 2020 sequential file naming feature. Okay, as I've already launched the data viewer, this is provided on the flash drive with the instrument, and the operation of the test set itself and all that is shown elsewhere. Basically, you can select two modes. You can select SD mode 1, which appends each test to the file ctmpdata.txt, or you can select mode 2, which names the names the files in a sequence, and you could also edit the third, fourth, and fifth letters of the file name to help, identify the equipment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this is the contents of the drive. I'm going to open, these are the sequential files. You can see the default is AAA on those three characters that I can change. Okay, you can see I can open AAA000, and I have all the data that applies to that CT. This is the actual operation of the data viewer is explained elsewhere. Okay, and the other method that I can use is I can start the FTP server on the test set, which I'm doing now. And then I can get the file ctmpdata.txt is optimized for the transfer of data from FTP. It'll hold either 1 or 3 CTs. So I hit the FTP button, and I've downloaded that file via FTP. There's 3 files in there. I can click on A, B, or C phase and see the results for that. I can see that the A phase, for example, TAP X1 was 2000.00, 2000.15 on B, 2000.2 on C, and I can tab through all the data. I get the ratio and the saturation curve at that particular tap when I tab. Okay, so this file could also be transferred from the flash drive, and it was on the flash drive, but by using the FTP, it's a lot faster. You can have like an old router on the test cart, and you can test and then transfer immediately to the CTMP 2020 data viewer. The data and the data viewer, all the files are on the flash drive. This can be submitted to the customer, copied to another flash drive and submitted to the customer, or put on a CD so that the customer can also use the data viewer to look at the information. Thank you for watching.